What's going on, guys? I've been getting a few questions about how to connect the camera on your Axlis aircraft drone from Hobby Lobby. So there's going to be a quick little tutorial to show you guys how to do that. Hopefully help you guys out. First, you want to go to the App Store and download the Drone UAV app. Click on that. Now, this is the screen it should come to. You are going to have your phone connected to your home Wi-Fi. In my case, it's called Living Room. Click on that. Now, your drone will pop up. This is a network. This is not Bluetooth. So this does not work via Bluetooth. So once the drone pops up, click on that. And it's connected. You can back up to this screen, and you get this warning. And you have your drone ID right there. You hit start. Boom. There you go. Now your camera should be working. There you go. Oop, my hand's in the way. Little R. Alright. Simple as that. Alright. I hope this helps you guys out. And see you guys in the next one.